Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we learn difference between function and method in Python. What is a function in Python? A function is a self-contained block of code that performs a particular task. We can pass data known as parameters or arguments into a function. A function can return data as a result. For example, the len function returns the number of items in an object. Syntax: len object. The object may be a sequence such as a string, tuple or list, or a collection such as a dictionary or a set. You can pass the len function a string value or a variable containing a string, and the len function returns the number of characters in that string. To get a better understanding of the function, let's examine an example of len function in Python. Example: in this example, the len function returns the length of the string. It is then passed to print function to be displayed on the screen. The string Python word has 12 characters. The len function returns an integer value of 12. You count every character, including a space. What is a method in Python? A method is the same thing as a function, except it is called on a value. For example, the capitalize method returns a copy of the string where the first letter is capitalized and the rest are lowercase. Syntax: string.capitalize. The method part comes after the value, separated by a period. For example, if a string value were stored in variable s, you would call the capitalize method on that string like s.capitalize. To get a better understanding of the method, let's examine an example of a method in Python. Example: in this example, we assign the string value hello world to the variable string. In the following statement, we apply the capitalize method to this string and store the result in a variable s. Notice that the method is called on a value. Here the value is hello world, which is stored in the variable string. The method part comes after the value, separated by a period. Then the print statement print s prints the modified string where the first letter is capitalized and the rest are lowercase. In our example, the first character h is capitalized and the rest are lowercase. Here the word world is converted to lowercase. Conclusion: a method is the same thing as a function. The difference between a function and a method is that we pass values known as parameters into a function, whereas the method is called on a value. The method part comes after the value, separated by a period. Each data type in Python has its own set of methods. The list data type, for example, has several useful methods for finding, adding, removing, and otherwise manipulating values in a list. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.